Welcome back, and we are on our way to Shantiniketan, which will take about 3 hours or 3.5 hours from Kolkata. It is a beautiful day, and as you can see, the Indian flag is flying high because it is 15th August and it is our Independence Day. So everyone is celebrating, and we are also celebrating in our own way. So we are off to Shantiniketan for the weekend. This is a food trip, and our friends will be joining us soon. They are all traveling differently. Some are coming by train, we are going by car, and we hope to enjoy this trip as much as we did with the Kiladari Joda food trip. We have reached Shantiniketan and we are at Bonalokhi, and we will stop for lunch here before we check in. I couldn't help wondering how old this banyan tree was, but anyways, now back to the food. The flag has been hoisted here too, and this is the entrance to the restaurant. We are going to try the thali, which has ghee rice, shukto, dhoka dalda dal, aloo bhaja and a chutney. For fish we took the hilsa and some mutton. The ghee rice was the highlight, and the other food was just like a simple homely cooked meal. If you're a Bengali, you do have these, so it is not exceptional. And now to Sri Rangam, where we are going to spend the next 2 days. Sri Rangam is located within the buffer zone of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is the Vishwa Bharatis, which was set up by the Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. This homestay has been aesthetically pleasing, and we found that the owners have really gone to great lengths to see that you're comfortable, and every nook and corner has been very creatively done up. This is the seating area with the dining where we spend most of our time, and there are 3 bedrooms on this floor. There are 2 along the staircase, and there is 1 on the terrace. We had taken 5 rooms, so we enjoyed the house fully. There was also another unit on the ground floor, but that is mainly for the hosts, but sometimes they do let it out. Our bedroom. The bathroom was also very clean, and it had a shower stall. As I keep telling you, we are very finicky about the toilets, and we prefer a shower curtain or a shower stall. One can sit on this long veranda and enjoy the views outside and even the rain. A lot of beautiful artwork and artifacts have been collected from all over the world, and the rooms also have names which are different. This is another room which is by the staircase, but these are bigger rooms, and as you can see, there's a divan. The toilets are almost identical in each room, but here you have a kind of a bay window where you can enjoy the view. The second bedroom by the staircase, again it's very similar to the one on top. This is the view from the rooms, and this is also the view from the veranda. There is a room on the terrace, but that I will show it to you later, maybe in my next video, because today it is raining, and as you can see there's a lot of water here, so they're trying to clean up the area. Everyone is very helpful and they always serve you with a smile. So as you're going down the stairs, you can see the room. Each wall is done very interestingly. That is the ground floor, and again I will show it to you in my next video. This is the view from our room. It has a small veranda attached to it, and you can slide the doors and enter the veranda if you would like to. The koi pond. The house has a lot of greenery all around, and a lot of light comes in through the room, so they are light and airy. And I'm showing you what the bedroom looks like when it is evening. And we are ready for an adda. The Bengalis are known for it. We will be leaving for Nayanas, who is our friend who stays in Shantiniketan, and she also runs a homestay, and she has invited us to dinner, and we have decided to take the Totos instead of the cars, and we are going to enjoy this and do it the local way. So off we go. Noana also has a highly rated homestay, and she has 2 rooms to let out. And we are helping ourselves. And here's Noana.
এখন আমরা পাইনি So a combination of desserts. So this is the pork. Yes. So that's the pork made by Maku, which is a combination of it's tribal pork.
And which is a surprise?
That's pork.
Yeah, that's a surprise.
This is my version of a pork salad. Wow. I've never made it before, so I have no idea whether that works. That's begun pura, that's kumro makha, and that's yellow rice.
There's Maku, who has made the pork, and Noana's salad is of course very delicious, and needless to say, we are very happy with the food. And this is Ronnie, who is the star of the show, who is begging for a little piece of pork, not only from Noana but also from other people. All's well that ends well, and the sweets without which the Bengalis cannot do. So on the whole, a very satisfying day, and we end with a little nightcap, and see you soon with my next video.